Ginger has been used in medicine for centuries, as it is able to treat numerous diseases, and it has potent medicinal properties. These properties are even recognized by modern science. In a study published in the Journal of Food and Chemical Toxicology, this powerful root has anti-cancer compounds, gingerol, paradol, and shogols. It has been found to be effective in killing this deadly disease in numerous other studies, especially in the case of the colon, prostate, and ovarian cancer. Portal even reports that some studies suggest that ginger is significantly more effective than chemotherapy. Ginger and ovarian cancer. Angiogenesis depicts cancer growth and development, and according to it, if something succeeds to stop cancer in its early stages, it is able to prevent it. BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine published a study that showed that ginger root contains active ingredients with potent anti-angiogenic properties which can efficiently inhibit cancer cell growth. Research has also shown that this miraculous root can both prevent and treat ovarian cancer. The American Association of Cancer presented studies in which researchers from the University of Michigan provided evidence that ginger effectively kills cancer cells. Furthermore, ovarian cancer cells cannot become resistant to it, as they can in the case of chemo. Hence, it is extremely helpful in the case of ovarian cancer and even stronger than conventional treatments, as it provides no adverse effects, does not lead to drug resistance, and is less toxic. Ginger and colon cancer. Researchers at the Frontiers in Cancer Research Prevention Conference in 2003 found that ginger prevents colon cancer. Another study conducted in 2015 and published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that it is not only effective in preventing colon cancer, but it can kill existing colorectal cancer cells as well. This means that it is probably one of the most potent therapies against colon cancer. Ginger and prostate cancer. According to a U.S. study, published in the British Journal of Nutrition, the ginger extract, Zingiber officinale Roscoe, is able to inhibit the development of prostate cancer cells in humans, if taken regularly, 100 mg per kilogram of body weight. Researchers found that it reduces the growth of prostate cancer in about 56% of cases. Moreover, they also discovered that the consumption of 100 grams of fresh ginger daily provides the same results in an adult weighing 70 kilograms. Additionally, ginger destroys affected cells only, not the healthy cells in the body as well. Therefore, researchers stated that this study is the first report to describe the identification and detailed evaluation of in vitro and in vivo anti-cancer activities of the whole ginger extract in the therapeutic management of the human prostate cancer. Since chemo destroys healthy cells as well, ginger may be even more effective in the treatment of prostate cancer. A great number of studies suggest that ginger is incredibly effective cancer prevention, especially in the case of ovarian, prostate, and colon cancer. It is completely natural, and less invasive than chemo, it is not toxic and does not destroy healthy cells. Yet, its only possible drawback is that the ginger extract cannot be currently used as an acceptable anti-cancer treatment, as all studies have been conducted on mice or in vitro, and further research is needed. Until then, you can use the great, undeniable properties of this root and incorporate it into your daily diet. The recommended dose is 4 grams daily, while in the case of pregnancy, women should reduce the daily intake to 1 gram.